Hello everyone, let's solve the equality based question. So here one question is given. In this question we have two inputs, input A and input B, and each input is having 2 bits. So here input A 1 down 0 and input B 1 down 0, and we produce the output Z. When A is equal to B, Z value should be 1, and if A is not equal to B, then Z value should be 0. So this is the question. So we need to write the Verilog code for this question. So here module has already declared. So let's write the code. Assign Z is equal to parenthesis, and we need to compare both inputs A and B. So A 1 down 0 is equal to B 1 down 0. If A is equal to B, then this value should be 1, right? So automatically it will assign Z is equal to 1. If A and B are not equal, means this value should be 0. So Z value is 0. Okay, this is a single line code for this question. So let's check it. Okay, so whatever we wrote, that is correct. So in this way we can write the solution for this question in the single line. Okay, there is another method. We can use if else condition. If A is equal to B, then we can assign Z is equal to 1, and at the else part, if both are not equal, at that place we can assign Z is equal to 0. By using if else condition also we can solve this question. Okay, so in this way we can solve this equality based question.